do need you to be wearing one thing.
The harness.
No, it's at the cleaners.
Well, what else could it be?
Trojan brand bearskin lubricated condoms. It'll have you feeling like you're wearing nothing at all.
Wow. Feels like I'm wearing nothing at all.
Hey, have you guys seen a Jen and Matt?
The fuck?
Hey, welcome to the show. This is Elizabeth and Amanda, and we're gonna do some improv for you. Yeah.
We want you to produce our comedy special.
You're gonna have to prove to me that you two have some kind of appeal outside of Los Angeles.
It's literally called New Relationship Energy, NRE. What that creates is that feeling that everyone talks about, that spark that dies when you're in a monogamous relationship. You never lose that when you're in an open relationship. So you never lose the spark. You don't have those same problems that traditionally heterosexual couples do have.
Do you expect to get any new followers from all this publicity?
Well, I certainly hope so, Mr. Vader. I did invite you here to jerk off, you know.
You made $13,000 in 2020.
Yeah. The pandemic, it hit me pretty hard. You know what I mean?
You were making even less the year before. 2019, it says you made $9,000. And
Chad, have you never heard of the Happy Birthday song?
The Humpy Schmorfday Schmogsh? I don't know that.
Happy Birthday song.
What is this?
Have you never been to a birthday party?
20 years later, it all paid off. And just like that, I was a guest on someone else's podcast.
To me, open relationships are, I think, more mature than closed.
Yeah.
You got a mustache now!
Why did we make plans on a Sunday night? I'm so upset to be missing a night of stand-up comedy.